depression of Arjuna. I can say is almost screaming. So many verses he is screaming, but Krishna is completely silent. He is there, he is there, he is there. The first year of the marriage, the man speaks and the woman listens. The second year, the woman speaks and the man listens. The third year, they both speak and the neighbors listen. I think Arjuna is speaking, but Arjuna is not seeing any reaction in Krishna's face that Krishna is listening. I strongly believe Krishna is not listening to the words of Arjuna. He is only looking into the depths of Arjuna with deep sympathy, to understand the root of the problem. Please understand, when you are agitated, confused, your words do not express your real problem. That is why when people come and tell me their problems, when they give me a long letters, more than reading their letter, I will be looking into their eyes. I will read their problems by looking into their eyes, not looking into their letter. Because you are habitual liars. Please understand, all human beings have got into the system of becoming habitual liars. Yesterday, we were having sessions in Inner Awakening. When you are challenged, when you are cornered, how you escape from situations. I was studying each one's patterns, how each one escapes, listening to their stories, incidents. I discovered one thing: 99% of the people tell lies and manipulate the situation and escape when they are challenged. And the remaining 1% told lies even to me when I asked them. When you are cornered, when you are challenged, you immediately get into the mode of telling lies to manipulate the situation, to exploit the situation and escape from the situation. Understand, more than the words of Arjuna, the eyes of the Arjuna can reveal the real problem to Krishna. More than the letters you bring, what you bring in your eyes will show your real problem to me. That's the reason usually I look into the eyes. But people feel I am not attending to them if I read their eyes and not read their letters. So I just glance the letters also once in a while. But I tell you, I don't believe your letters. Because you have become habitual liar. Not only you start lying to others, even you don't realize you are lying. You have become such habitual liar, it becomes part of you. We hear that those who have lost family traditions dwell in hell for an indefinite period of time. Arjuna is crying. But he is not crying with the right logic. He is just using all broken logics, all broken ideas to justify his thoughts, justify his ideas. See, it is too late. You should have thought about all these things and had a group discussion, round table meeting, dinner, brainstorming, everything at least 2 days before. Too late.